Ever wondered how much easier photo editing could be with the right tools? Editing photos to achieve a flawless look has traditionally required advanced skills and significant time investment. However, with the development of new technologies, this process is becoming more streamlined. Adobe's latest advancement in this field is the Magic Fixup AI, which offers a new approach to photo editing. This technology is designed to make editing easier, faster, and more accessible, catering to a wide range of users, from professional photographers to casual enthusiasts. But what exactly is Magic Fixup, and how does it function? In this video, we'll explore the technology behind Adobe's latest innovation and examine how it might influence the future of photo editing. The innovation behind Magic Fixup. So, what exactly makes Magic Fixup so revolutionary? The answer lies in its groundbreaking approach to training data. Traditional photo editing AIs have relied heavily on static images for their training. They analyze millions of images to learn how to apply filters, adjust lighting, and even retouch imperfections. But these models have always had a limitation. They only understand the world as seen through a single, frozen moment in time. Magic Fixup, however, takes a giant leap forward by learning from video data instead. Adobe's researchers have trained this AI on millions of video frame pairs. By doing so, the AI gains a much deeper understanding of how objects and scenes change under different conditions. Imagine the subtle differences in lighting as the sun sets, or how the perspective of an object shifts as the camera moves. These are nuances that traditional models miss, but Magic Fixup captures them effortlessly. This video-based training allows Magic Fixup to perform edits that were previously out of reach for AI. It doesn't just guess what an image should look like after an edit, it understands the natural changes that occur in real-world scenarios. This means you can make broad, coarse adjustments, like moving objects around or changing their size, and the AI will fine-tune these edits to make them look incredibly realistic. It's like having a seasoned photo editor working behind the scenes, perfecting your vision. Let's break it down further. Think about how our eyes perceive the world. When we watch a movie, our brain processes how things move, how light shifts, and how objects interact with their environment. Magic Fixup mimics this capability, but at a superhuman level, processing millions of frame pairs to learn these patterns. The result? An AI that understands not just what an image is, but how it fits into a dynamic world. How Magic Fixup works. Now, let's dive into how Magic Fixup actually works. The magic behind this AI is its two-part process, which Adobe calls the detail extractor and the synthesizer. These two diffusion models work in harmony to deliver photorealistic results that are almost indistinguishable from the original scene. First, the detail extractor processes the reference image along with a noisy version of it. This step is crucial because it helps the AI focus on the finer details that are often lost in translation during the editing process. Think of it as the AI sharpening its vision, ensuring that no detail is too small to be overlooked. The extractor identifies and isolates the features that need to be preserved, like the texture of a fabric, the glimmer in someone's eye, or the intricate patterns of light and shadow in a landscape. Once the detail extractor has done its job, the synthesizer steps in. This part of the process is where the AI really flexes its creative muscles. The synthesizer takes the user's coarse edits, such as repositioning an object or changing the layout, and combines them with the detailed features extracted in the first step. The result is an image that not only aligns with the user's intentions, but also retains the natural, lifelike quality of the original photo. For example, let's say you want to remove a sailboat from a tropical beach scene. Traditional editing might leave awkward gaps or mismatched lighting where the boat used to be. But with Magic Fixup, the AI intelligently fills in the space, ensuring that the reflections on the water and the shadows on the sand look as though the boat was never there in the first place. The AI adapts to the new layout, making it seem as if the scene was always meant to look this way. But it's not just about removing objects. Magic Fixup can also add details with the same level of sophistication. Imagine adding a flock of birds to a sunset scene. The AI would not only place them in the right spots, but also ensure that their reflections in the water and the play of light on their wings match the existing elements of the photo. It's this ability to maintain image integrity, while making significant changes that set Magic Fixup apart on the market. And here's another game-changing aspect. Magic Fixup is designed to understand and mimic artistic intent. This means that if you're editing a photo to achieve a certain mood or style, the AI will enhance that vision rather than override it. Whether you're going for a vibrant, high-contrast look or a soft, muted tone, Magic Fixup ensures that the final image reflects your creative direction. Real-world applications and industry impact. The potential applications of Magic Fixup are nothing short of revolutionary. Let's start with the advertising industry. Art directors are constantly under pressure to create visually stunning concepts on tight deadlines. With Magic Fixup, they can rapidly prototype complex visuals without the need for extensive photo shoots or hours of manual editing. Want to see how your product looks in different settings or lighting conditions? Magic Fixup seems to make it happen in a matter of minutes. In the world of film and television, visual effects are often one of the most time-consuming and expensive parts of production. Magic Fixup could streamline these workflows by allowing editors to make realistic changes quickly, potentially reducing costs and accelerating post-production timelines. Imagine being able to tweak the lighting on a scene or adjust the background without having to reshoot or spend hours in front of a computer. But it's not just professionals who will benefit. Social media influencers and content creators who may not have advanced editing skills can use Magic Fixup to produce polished, high-quality visuals that stand out. This democratization of editing tools could lead to a surge in creative content across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Everyone, from amateur photographers to seasoned pros, will be able to produce visuals that were once thought to be out of reach. Moreover, the ability to make rapid adjustments without sacrificing quality could lead to entirely new forms of visual storytelling. Imagine an influencer creating a narrative that shifts in real time with viewer interaction, all while maintaining a consistent and professional look. Magic Fixup could enable this kind of dynamic content, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in digital media. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The ease with which Magic Fixup can create realistic image manipulations also raises some ethical concerns. In an era where misinformation can spread like wildfire, the ability to alter images so seamlessly could be a double-edged sword. Adobe is aware of these potential pitfalls and will likely face pressure to implement safeguards, such as digital watermarking, to ensure that the technology isn't misused. Beyond the creative industries, Magic Fixup's impact could extend into fields like forensics and historic preservation. Imagine being able to restore old, degraded photos with a few clicks, bringing lost details back to life. For investigators, this technology could provide new tools for enhancing images in ways that were previously impossible, potentially helping to solve crimes or uncover hidden truths. Think about it. What if long-lost photos from history could be revived to their original glory, allowing us to see the past with fresh eyes? Or what if forensic teams could enhance low-quality footage to extract crucial details in criminal investigations? The possibilities are endless, and Magic Fixup is poised to be at the forefront of these innovations. Ethical considerations and Adobe's open-source move. With all these capabilities, it's no surprise that Magic Fixup is sparking conversations about the ethical implications of AI-driven photo editing. The ability to create hyper-realistic edits so easily could lead to concerns about authenticity in digital media. How can we trust what we see when an AI can alter reality with such precision? This is a question that will undoubtedly continue to be debated as AI technology advances. In a surprising twist, Adobe has decided to release the research code for Magic Fixup on GitHub. This move is a significant departure from Adobe's usual practices, as the company has traditionally kept its proprietary algorithms and tools under tight wraps. By open sourcing this technology, Adobe is not only inviting collaboration from the global developer community, but also acknowledging the rapidly evolving nature of AI and creative tools. This openness could accelerate the development of similar technologies across the industry, potentially leading to a new generation of AI-powered creative tools. It also signals Adobe's recognition of the value of collaborative innovation in the field of AI-assisted creativity. However, this move also raises important questions about the future of creativity and authorship. As AI becomes more integrated into creative processes, the line between human and machine-generated content continues to blur. Imagine a future where AI-driven tools become so advanced that distinguishing between human and AI-generated art becomes nearly impossible. What does this mean for artists, photographers, and creators who have built their careers on their unique styles and visions? Magic Fixup could be the first step towards a new era of creativity, one where collaboration between humans and machines is not just possible, but essential. The future of photo editing. Adobe's Magic Fixup represents a monumental leap forward in photo editing technology. By harnessing the power of video data and employing a sophisticated dual model approach, this AI is poised to change the way we think about and interact with digital images. Whether you are a professional looking to streamline your workflow or an amateur hoping to create stunning visuals, Magic Fixup offers a level of power and precision that was previously unimaginable. But as we embrace this new era of AI-driven creativity, we must also consider the ethical implications and the responsibilities that come with it. Magic Fixup is not just a tool, it's a glimpse into the future of digital media, where the boundaries between reality and imagination are increasingly fluid. The brushstrokes of tomorrow's masterpieces will be guided not just by human hands, but by the invisible, open-source algorithms that make them possible. So, get ready to unleash your creativity like never before, because with Magic Fixup, the future of photo editing is already here. Whether you're enhancing memories or creating entirely new worlds, this AI will be your ultimate creative companion. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.